In this video, we're going to be showing you how to do tree pose or Vrikshasana. So starting off a mountain pose, standing nice and tall, first thing we're going to do is place our hands on our hips. Then we're going to practice on shifting our weight from one leg to the others, picking up one foot about an inch off the mat. Now you're more than welcome to practice this and just feel your weight shifting from one side to the other. When you're ready to go into the full expression of tree pose, we're going to shift our weight onto one leg, so the left leg here, bending our right knee and bringing it up to hip height in front of us. Practice balancing here for a couple of breaths. And if you're comfortable, you can start to open that right knee out to the side and take your expression of tree pose. So placing the heel above or below the knee, but never on the knee. Good. When you've found your balance, and if you're ready, you can place your hands over your head. Awesome. Taking a few breaths here, working on your balance. Things to look out for is keeping the shoulders away from the ears, nice and relaxed. Palms are facing each other or the front, so your expression of tree. Chest is open. Breathing here for 5 breaths. So there's other expressions of tree pose. One of those expressions is to keep the heel just by the ankle, like a kickstand. And then the other expression is to keep the heel on the inner thigh. Once again, never on the knee, above or below. And for your hands, they don't always have to be in the air. They can be on your hips, just for additional support with your balance. If you find that your balance is a little off or you need some extra support, you can use the wall. If you're looking for a challenge, why don't you try closing your eyes in this pose?